Marknell and Anthony Wayne taking on Bowling Green, the Division I BG District semifinal. Top of the fourth, no score. Bobcats man on second. Lance Palmer, infield grass tie, rotor throw to first is high. Palmer is safe, and on the overthrow, Cody Thompson coming in from second. Bowling Green with the 1-0 lead. Now, 2 weeks ago, these two went 10 innings. Another classic today in the sixth, still a 1-0 game. 2 outs. Generals Evan Anderson with a base hit into left. That is the first hit Bobcats Nate Kress allowed. He took a no-hitter into the seventh the last time he pitched against Anthony Wayne. After walking Garrett Pike, Chase Sainholtz at the plate, base hit into left, not deep. Generals playing aggressively. Anderson waved home. Michael Becker throw on the mark. Ryan Jackson applies the tag out at home. Still a 1-0 Bobcat lead. BG adds 2 more in the seventh as they shut out state-ranked Anthony Wayne 3-0 the final. Bobcats advancing to tomorrow's scheduled district final. Thanks to the hallmarks of fundamental baseball, pitching and defense. Kress goes the distance, the sophomore allowing just 2 hits, striking out 5. That's 22 straight scoreless innings against the Generals for Kress.
We had every hope of beating him. We knew we could do it. We beat him in 10. We thought, why not? Why not do it again? We're not done.
It was a little scared. I kept my composure, and our defense came strong and made all the plays. The defense was on. They were ready to go. They wanted to play, and 1 error out of the whole 7 innings. They just wanted to win this game.
Well, I didn't really hear anything when I threw it, and I couldn't really see because my hat was falling off, but I look up and I saw Ryan catch it, and I saw everyone look at me, and hats and gloves were flying, and everyone was going crazy.
It sounds great because our seniors get the last game. We didn't know if we were going to win this game. Now they get to move on into district finals, and they get to continue.
Unbelievable. Sophomore, he's crazy. Never seen anything like him.